Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are painting a bookmark with cute little cherry blossoms. I cut a piece of paper roughly 17 by 5 centimeters and then I used a paper punch to round the edges so it looks like a proper bookmark. The cherries are really easy to paint. I start with 5 little dots in pink and then these dots become little petals. Please see in the description below which colors I used for this tutorial. With a clean brush dipped into water, I start to paint the petals. So I'm starting with the dots. I just use the color in the dots to create a pink petal. The petals are still wet. Now I'm adding more color to the inner sides of the petals. So the color can bleed into the lighter areas. This way you create a gradient. And I repeat the process with the next 5 dots. The shading is very rough and it's not a really nice gradient. I use a clean dry brush to smooth the colors. I repeat the process several times now and therefore I fast forward in this part of the video. Now I'm painting some buds, not yet blossoms. Like with the blossoms, I add more color to create a nice shading. For the middle, I use cadmium yellow, and this will bleed also a little bit into the petals. Again, I'm picking up a little bit of color and pigment to create a nice shading. The wetter the petals are, the more the color bleeds into it. Some of the yellow bled too much into the other color. So to correct this, you just use a dry, clean brush and pick up some of the yellow color. With a thin brush, I paint the branch in brown color. I let the painting completely dry, and then I paint tiny pink dots into the middle of the flower. Now I sprinkle some dots with my brush. I realized that the other brush was too thin, so I tried it again with a thicker brush. I found it quite difficult to create enough dots with my brush, so I had to repeat this process several times. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss any of my new videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you would like to support me, please go to my Patreon page. All the links are below in the description. See you next week!